And we're back to learning CapCut in here, day 72. Let me show you the basic style adjustments for text. So shown in the last video under text, add text, you can just click on the plus sign for default text, and wherever your slider is, there will be a new text element added, and you can hover over the ends and then left click drag to resize it. As long as it's active, you will see on the top right text basic, and in the box you can change the text. Basic adjustments are obviously the size that you can adjust here under font size, or just left click drag in the preview window on the corners. You can also rotate it here via this circle. Once again, left click drag and reposition it the same way. So left click drag, and then let me put it, for example, to the top left. Let me reselect it. Above the font size, we have the font family. The ones with the diamonds are Pro fonts. The other ones you can use right away, but you have to download it first. So click on this download icon, and then you should see the text already changing in real time. There's also a search box for easier access. Below the font size, we have something called pattern. This is simply the basic style, so you can make that bold, underlined, and italic. Then we have case adjustments. You can make that uppercase, lowercase, or title case. And here's the color swatch. Drag it to the top right, and then you can use the slider. On the bottom left is always black, top left is always white. You can also sample a color using the eyedropper tool right here from the preview window. And these are the basic style adjustments that you can do to text in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.